Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to get into some optimism, which is basically a Ethereum layer 2. I'll explain everything in a second and get everybody up to speed. So for right now, as you can see, we are Optimism website, and Optimism basically is a low-cost, lightning-fast Ethereum layer 2 blockchain. I'm going to explain something about Ethereum. The Ethereum network has been facing challenges such as high transaction fees and scalability limitations. As more users and projects join the network, it experiences congestion, leading to slower transaction processing and increased costs. These challenges hinder the overall efficiency and user experience on the Ethereum blockchain. So basically, people created layer 2 solutions, which are protocols built on top of the Ethereum blockchain to address challenges like these high transaction fees and scalability. Instead of processing every transaction directly on the main Ethereum chain, layer 2 solutions enable off-chain processing. This reduces the burden on the main chain, enhancing scalability and decreasing these transaction costs. Like for instance, throughout my whole experience of using Ethereum, I think I've spent about $17,000 just on fees, which actually could have been in my pocket and used for other things. But thanks to Optimism, now we have other ways to move our funds and things around these chains. Basically, layer 2 solutions aim to provide more efficient and cost-effective environments for executing transactions and running decentralized applications, also known as dApps. So if you hear dApps, that basically just means a decentralized application. But at the same time, it still benefits from the security of the Ethereum main chain. There's a few different layer 2 solutions, each designed to improve scalability and reduce transaction costs on the Ethereum network. Some notable types are rollups, side chains, state channels, and plasma. First, we'll get into rollups. Basically, an optimistic rollup is a transaction that's initially processed off-chain, but with the subsequent on-chain validation process. Then we got ZK rollups, which utilizes zero-knowledge proofs to batch and compress transactions off-chain, submitting only proofs to the chain. And next, we're going to talk about the side chains. We're going to get through this one quick. Side chains are basically separate blockchains connected to the Ethereum main chain, handling transactions independently and periodically settling the results on the main chain. And next, we got state channels. These are off-chain channels where participants can conduct multiple transactions without involving the main chain for each one, reducing congestion and costs. And lastly, we have plasma, which is hierarchical structure of child chains connected to the main chain, allowing for a high volume of transactions off-chain while periodically anchoring to the Ethereum main chain for security. So it's basically taking transactions off-chain so you can reduce congestion and all the people that's using Ethereum and making transactions, and then batching them together and sending them back to Ethereum. So yeah, that's basically what it is. But at the same time, we're using Ethereum main chain for security. Yeah, so that was just a short overview explaining what Optimism is and how it relates to the Ethereum network. In the next video, I will introduce a few decentralized applications that's run on the Optimism network and that you can interact with. So yeah, peace.